Welcome to Ziro Studio by Ziro UI, your virtual sandbox for immersive experiential learning. Ziro Studio is the perfect platform for students to learn the basics of coding, robotics, and a variety of subjects such as physics, because it provides users hands-on experience with virtual world building and powerful simulation capabilities. Let's go to an example. Learning to code will become second nature as students use the Python language to program their virtual Ziro robot to solve challenges in an immersive 3D environment. For example, take this program that simulates dominoes falling. This code constructs and places the dominoes and also commands the robot to knock down one of the dominoes. As you can see, since the platform is built on a powerful physics engine, the studio is able to simulate the real world with great accuracy. Now let's go to another example. World building is easier than ever. As you can see, through this elevated road overlooking a beach boardwalk. The robot can be programmed to navigate any world of your creation, so students can let their imagination run wild. Now let's check out another example. Educators can convey important robotics concepts such as sensor functionality with ease. In this exercise, red and blue balls are placed in a random order every time the program is run. The challenge is to program the robot to use its sensors to pick up only the blue balls and place them in the blue crate. Students will exercise their problem-solving skills while learning important coding concepts such as loops and conditionals. As you can see, Ziro Studio is a versatile platform where the possibilities are endless. The Ziro UI team cannot wait to see all the innovative and creative projects students and educators build as a community.